Well, had to buy a new saw. This is the DeWalt 60 volt. I've used this before. My buddy owns it. I did a trim job with it. Liked it just fine. It does have the cut light, and that weird noise is the regenerative braking system. But yeah, it's cut and square out of the box. My old saw here, my old faithful, I cannot get that out, and now it is stripped, and that might be the death of this saw. So ideally, I'll get this thing fixed, get a new bolt in there, and there's no big deal, and that can be my shop saw, and then this can be my road saw. Wish me luck.